I'm Elaine Mease. My father started the business, Sam Saylor. He started the business, and in 1972 my husband and I took it over, and in 2003 we passed it on to my son Tim. We make our own sauerkraut. We've been making sauerkraut since our parents always made it, because we're Pennsylvania Dutch and we eat pork and sauerkraut on New Year's. So every year for New Year's we make homemade sauerkraut. We started selling our homemade sauerkraut at the farm at New Year's, and we just continue to make it as we moved here into Hellertown at this store. Okay, we put the cabbages in food grade garbage cans now instead of the crocks, because we wore them out, because we make about 250 pounds at a time. We've been buying our cabbage in Lancaster from the Nolt family forever, and they're 8 to 10 pound heads because they're big and they're good. We put 250 pounds of shredded cabbage into the containers, and it sits in there and ferments for 6 to 7 weeks before we sell it. We take the sauerkraut out of the containers the week before Christmas. We put it in plastic deli containers, quart containers, and we sell it here at the store, and it's usually all gone by New Year's. We have many repeat customers, so if you're interested in homemade sauerkraut, you've got to come early.